Here is how to create a contact us page on Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you exactly that. I will show you two different methods, but not exactly. I will be focusing more in detail about the Shopify method, but there's another way that you can do it and I will talk about it in this video. So basically, if you want a page, if we go to online store here and go to pages, usually you should find a contact page already created for you. That is if you're using, for example, the Dawn theme, which is the, the basic theme that they give you. They already give you a contact us page. But if not, I will show you exactly how to create one in two different ways. Now, the way that I will go in more in depth with is going to be from Shopify itself. But the other one is using apps. Now, there's going to be plenty of apps that you can use to help you create a contact us page. Now, why would you do that? I will tell you why. Because with apps, you get more customization options, a lot more actually, instead of using the actual Shopify one, which doesn't give you much. It does give you a little bit of customization, and I will show you how to get to it. But apps have plenty more when it comes to personalizing more the contact form, basically. So you can use a app like Section Store here. And if we, for example, use Section Store, and here go to sections, we can, let's look for it. Let's just type in contact. And you can find two contact forms here that you can purchase. Now, it's not for free. It's one-time purchase for $9 to get this contact form. Now, this does look like the original Shopify contact form, but the difference is that you can actually customize a lot more when it comes to colors, that kind of stuff, and borders, and a lot of things that you can't really do with Shopify. Same goes for this one. I guess you get a little more stuff because it's a little bit more expensive. But yeah, so you can use apps to do it. So feel free to look up any apps if you don't like the original method of creating one or a contact page. Speaking of, let's actually show you how to do it within Shopify itself. It's very easy. You go to your online store here, and the first step is going to be actually creating the page. So we need to head over to pages here, where we should find our pages. Now, let's just pretend that I don't have this. So let me just delete this already pre-made contact page. And let's say I don't have one. So in this case, what you need to do is go to add page on the top right, click on it and name it whatever you want to name it. Make sure, it's something like contact us, something that is not, something that is related to it. So contact us maybe. And then the next step, which is the most important one, is going to be the theme template. We need to make sure it is contact. Now you should find the contact within every theme, the template of contact, because it's going to allow you to just showcase the contact form for you. So once you select the theme as contact and click on save, you should be done. That is pretty much how to create a contact us page on Shopify. However, there's a minor thing that you need to keep in mind. So if you just go to customize, actually, hold on. Let me just add it to navigation. So if you want to add it to navigation, go to navigation, main menu, and then we add menu item, name it contact us, and paste a link for the page contact us. And this is how to add it. It's very simple. Now we should find it in the main menu. It's just going to make things easier for us and for the customers that are going to be visiting our website. So we go and click on customize, and you will see what I mean when you don't really get a lot of customization options. And I will show you what I mean once it actually loads up. Okay, it's not showing up right now, so let me just go to pages and go to contact page. So this is how it's going to look like. And if you click on it, you can see you don't really get a lot or any at all, that like anything that you can play around with, like the padding maybe and bottom padding. And I believe that is pretty much it. You don't really get a lot to change. But I will show you exactly how to change two things. Either remove a specific block. So for example, if you don't want this phone number block here, you can remove it. And also how to change the text within these boxes. So let's actually go ahead and show you that. So if we just exit out of here, what you will need to do if you want to change the text, you will need to go and click on the three dots next to customize and click on edit default theme content. Once you click on that, you should wait for it and go to templates. So you will need to go to templates. In here, you will need to just scroll down until you see contact form. This one right here. So you can see contact form. So now we can actually change things within here. So for example, name, let's just do your name. Let's make it more personalized. Email, just, I don't know, email address, phone number. Let's just keep this because I may remove it. And then comment. I don't know, let's just keep it as comment with this, okay? And then send, let's just keep it at that, which is the button, obviously, and then post success. This is going to be the message after you send the contact form. Thanks for contacting us. Let's just keep it as we will get back to you soon. And if there's an error, you can also adjust that if you want. But let's just save it and actually go ahead and view it real quick. I hope it loads because, you know, sometimes, here we go, this navigation thing is here. Yeah, your name, email address, and then comment. Yes, it does change. So this is how to change the text within the boxes. Next up, I will show you how to remove a specific block if you don't want. So you can remove, for example, this phone number if you don't want. And this is going to be in code. So we will need to go to online store and then click on here, the three dots, and then edit code. Before we get started, we will need to back things up, but let's actually find what we need to back up. Now, it's going to be, if we go to the search, we just type in contact, and we should find the contact.liquid, if I'm not mistaken. Why is it not showing up? I have no idea. Hold on. Contact. There it is. I think I had a capital. So contact form.liquid is going to be under sections. You can click on it, and obviously you will need to back things up. So you can just Control A, select all, and then copy. And then you click on under sections, you click on add a new section. Liquid, and then file name is going to be contact form backup, and then click on done. Here you'll need to delete everything in here and then paste the entire script. This way you don't really mess things up. And now let's just go back to the original one. Here we should go ahead and click and search for things like phone number. So we want to remove it, so we can just, you know, look for it and see if we can find it. Let's just stick to phone. So contact form for phone. So I believe this is the thing, the one for the phone here. Now what we can do is actually just delete it, and we should be able to have it removed from the entire thing. Now we can just delete it or create a comment, so it's basically disabled. Now it's going to be completely up to you, but let me just delete it and see if it works or not. So let's just save it, go back, and then wait for it to load. Let's just wait for it one more time, because, you know, sometimes it takes time. I don't want to go. Let's actually just go for it. Let's go contact or theme view, or just contact us, and boom, we don't have the phone number anymore. So you can remove elements like so by just removing them from code. And whenever you want to get it back, you just go to your backup that we have just created and just paste it instead, and we should have it back. So this is basically how to create a contact us page and customize it to the best you can. Again, if you want more customization options, you should go for apps. So I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching.